Hey, what's everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. First, I want to apologize. My voice is almost gone. I've been sick all week. This is going to be a short one, but it's going to be cool. I want to show you this 14 GT Auto, 93 octane, laying down over 600 rural horsepower. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe to stay up to date. Hit that notify button. We're going to watch a dyno pull, but first let's go check it out. All right, before we watch the dyno pull, we are going to talk about what is on this 14 automatic right here. It's the VMP, the Gen 3R 2650 supercharger. Doug, come down, take a look. Now, this has a 3.5 pulley. It peaks at about 10.5 pounds of boost, but pretty much throughout the RPM range, it's about 9 pounds. We have the big JLT 123. We did a rear cylinder head cooling kit, built of oil pump gears. Those are awesome. Instead of stainless power, long tube headers. If you wonder what it costs to get something like this installed, simply email quote@brenspeed.com. Check that description. You can read a lot more about these parts I just told you about. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers, DynoJet SAE. And again, sorry I'm talking quick, but man, I'll be honest, I feel like shit. I wasn't even gonna do this video, but that was a cool car to show you. Doug, come over here, take a look. 607 rural horsepower, peaking at 7,500 RPM. Torque 461 at 5,500. Again, through an automatic 93 octane. Check it out. Awesome curve all the way up. Stock engine, oil pump gears, cooling mods. I do want to show you this. You gotta love the wheels and tire combo on this. You know, when this gets picked up and our weather finally breaks, this thing's gonna be out at the drag strip. It's awesome. So again, I'm Brent. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. We have a lot of different supercharger options for 3-valve Mustangs, for Coyote Mustangs, and you know, I have a lot of other videos out there that you can watch. So hey, have a great day.